So I got my new motorcycle lift from Harbor Freight. We got it on sale for about $289 was the sale price. Let's take a look at it. So it does have wheels on it, and these are metal wheels, which is a nice feature. I expect these to be fairly durable. It also comes with a couple foot pedals that attach over here. It comes with this big pedal here, and this one is the pedal that pumps it up, I believe, and they call this the foot pedal. Great name. This guy goes on this here little shaft right there. And there's, as you can see, there's no screws or anything that hold this on. It just slides on that shaft, and that's it. And here we go. It also comes with this pedal, which is the release pedal, and this one does have a little screw. And this guy goes up here, and there is a little divot in this shaft that the screw here goes into. This thing's pretty loose to me, but what do I know? Access port here that it comes with, where you take this plate off, and then you have access to the pump, the hydraulic pump below it. Alright, it also comes with this nice solid rod here, and this is our locking bar. So this locking bar fits right in either of these holes here. There's two holes, depending on how high up you've got the lift. So this one, we got it all the way up, so I'll put it in the lower. Yeah, and that guy goes in like that, and that will prevent this table from dropping back down. The table also comes with the wheel chock right here. So let's get this guy out. There's also a bunch of U-bolts as well. This is the wheel stop for the chock. It goes up front here. So this guy gets installed. There's a couple, you can see both of those holes right there. That's where this guy goes, right up there. So these are 17mm heads on these bolts, and there's some adjustability in this. You can see how it slides. The wheel chock here. And you can see on here that again they give you options. There's 3 different position options here to set this guy up however you want it on the lift. Depending on your motorcycle, the size of the wheel, etc., you might want to move this around, so they give you options to do that. I'm going to put it in the middle for now, and if we need to move it around, we will. The next on the installation list, we've got our U-bolts here. These are where you would attach your ratchet straps to tie the bike down, and the lift comes with 4 of these. One goes over here, one over here, and you can see each one has 2 pre-drilled holes. So the bolts on these are also 17mm heads, and so that's convenient that you mainly just need a couple 17mm wrenches to put this whole lift together. So this guy is a 1,000-pound motorcycle lift from Harbor Freight. They also have a 750-pound, I believe, motorcycle lift there as well. That's the difference between the 2 options, which is not always obvious on the website, or at least at the time I bought this. And this is what your hydraulic setup looks like on the bottom here. And it comes with 2 straight roller casters on the back here, and then on the front got some swivel casters. It also comes with these here supports, so that when you've got the lift where you want it, you set these down and lift the wheels off the ground. So here's the ramp that the lift comes with. It's got 2 nice little tabs here welded on that fit into 2 little holes right here.